Hi everybody, I'm Linda from Music Lessons Unlimited, and this is lesson number 2 from a series called Peaceful Piano Patterns. Okay, so now remember the last pattern that we learned was the C to G pattern, just going back and forth here, just playing one note in your right hand and throwing in a couple of little, just a very easy way to improvise, throwing in a couple little notes here and there, like that. Okay, now we're going to take the relative minor scale, which is A minor. So the way you find that, if you don't know, is if you know your C major scale, which is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, then you just take the C, you go down B, and then to A. That's 1.5 steps on the keyboard, and then that tells you what your relative natural minor, to be exact, is. So A minor is all white notes. We're using the natural minor in this case. And I'm going to kind of show you a little bit different kind of a peaceful piano pattern. This may be a little bit more of an intermediate level right here. Okay? So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. That's your scale that we're going to use. So I'm going to start again with my left hand. And I'm going to take the A. Kind of sounds kind of mysterious, but it's a minor key, and they tend to go that way there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, A3 if you got a full-size keyboard. Okay, and then I'm going to go play them together like that, just to show you that you're going to be playing A, E, and F, and then I'm going to go down to F, C, and D, and then I'm going to go down to E, B, and C. Okay? A, E, and F, F, C, and D, and E, B, and C. All right? So now, and then you hopefully will have a sustain or damper pedals with what you're doing, because it really does add a nice effect. So here we go. I'm going to just kind of get this going in my left hand. Play the notes separately now. I showed you together at first. Just to show you here that you can practice crunching your notes together, and then you can play them separately. Okay? So you get this little pattern going. And to be exact, I'm going to kind of tell you what the intervals are that I'm playing in my left hand. Okay? I'm going to just stop here for just a second, and you can play the A. This is the first degree of the A minor scale, the 5th degree of the A minor scale, and the 6th degree of the A minor scale. Okay, that's what you do. Okay, and then you go to the 6th degree of the A minor scale, and then you go to the 3rd degree and the 4th degree. All right, and then you go to the 5th, 2nd, and the 3rd. Okay? They're both the same exact distance in between these notes when you do it. Okay? So it's really fun. Okay, so now, I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. Get it going, then I'll start my right hand. Okay, here we go. Right hand. Very simple. Now I'm going to go real quick because we're running out of time here. Just a short little lesson here. I'll show you what I'm doing in my right hand. Kind of the same thing with what we did with our last lesson. You can start off doing this with one note. You go like this. Okay? Okay, then you take your right hand, and whatever you're doing with your thumb, you're doing like a major 6th and a minor 6th. Okay? That's what I'm doing in my right hand. You can start off with the one note, like we did in our other lesson, right? And then you go. And it just works all the way up. Okay? As long as you stay in your scale. really fun. So let's do it again because we're almost done, and this is a blast. I love this. Here we go. All right, so that concludes our lesson. Second lesson, music lessons unlimited, peaceful piano patterns. Hope you enjoy it.